Everyone, welcome to NEM-TRADE. Today we are going to talk about the Supra chain, which is backed by optimism. It has 10 billion airdrop tokens from total cap of 100 billion Supra tokens. In this, you have to complete the missions. In those, you have to answer the MCQs, and then you also have to do the KYC, which will also help you. Currently KYC is closed, soon they will open it again. And then there's second airdrop which we are going to talk about, that is nudge free mints. In this you can get free mints of NFTs. For that you need a score on the ethereum transactions and stakings. Those LP points and everything combined will make a score, and that will help you to get an airdrop. And this was all. Have a good day. See you around. Bye bye. Don't miss this project. Everyone is currently deploying on Supra, and Nudge is also getting a lot hype recently, so don't miss it. Supra has huge TVL. This is the main thing. Supra has huge TVL, so don't miss it. Have a good day. See you around. Bye bye.